Have you ever watched a soccer game and wondered what all those different moves are called in English? Today I'll teach you some common football actions that every fan and player should know. Let's start with the most basic one: to kick the ball. This simply means hitting the ball with your foot. Another important action is to dribble. Dribbling means moving the ball while keeping it under control and avoiding defenders. What about using your knees? In English, we say to control the ball with your knee or to knee the ball. Players often use their knees when the ball is too high for their feet, but too low for a header. Speaking of headers, to head the ball means hitting the ball with your head. Defenders use headers to clear the ball, while attackers often score goals with powerful header. Next, let's talk about shooting. To shoot the ball means kicking the ball towards the goal in an attempt to score. When a player sends the ball to a teammate, that's called a pass. Sometimes players try to stop an opponent. This action is called a tackle. A successful tackle wins the ball back without committing a foul. Finally, when the goalkeeper stops a shot, we call it a save. Great saves can completely change the outcome of a game. Now let's review. Kick the ball, dribble, knee the ball, head the ball, pass, shoot, tackle, make a save. Which term do you use most often? Write in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.